you talking about?
Let them know, man. Let them know we working.
Hey, you doing your thing over there. I can't even tell. I like to see that.
Yeah, man.
Put that work on that motherfucker.
Putting that work in.
I'll tell you something. One thing about me, I'm gonna stay sucker free.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speed. On the freeway with the shit, fuck a street. We ain't get 3, so ain't no get take off. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Finna hit up triple D, he let down the back seat. Hit him burn out every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get deep. Go. Roof. Let's race what? Look at my tail lights.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Sucker Free, and I'm back with another video, man. Today, we in the garage working on that panoramic roof, man. As y'all see, man, it look good from a distance. Once you get up on it, the guy who put it in, all he did was put it in. So we gotta fix all this fiberglass, this, bondo it, smooth it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and not just do the whole roof. Like I said, I gotta get the whole car painted. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sand everything down. I'm gonna just like a line. Basically, just do the roof on just the size yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the whole roof. Bring everything down. Like I said, it does work. Everything working fine with it. Everything working good with it. We just gotta clean it up on the outside. For some reason, I ain't never seen somebody do it like this, but he welded it from under. You know what I'm saying? Usually they try to make it one when they do it, but he welded from under, which really make a dip. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get that right, smooth it all out, make it look factory, give that factory look. But let me close this back. Shit, but you gonna get right off into it, man. Like I said, it's not really an install video. It's a what to do after install video, you know? So what to do after the install? You gonna go knock it out though. Alright, let me film my camera quick, let me straighten that thing up. Alright, we did this work. We sanded it down a little bit, smoothed it out. Probably should have sanded a little more, still got the shine to it, now I touched it. But we got the fiberglass mat, we cut it into strips. Cut the fiberglass mat to strips, I'm gonna put it all around the edge. Fiberglass, like I said, fiberglass mat. And we got the resin right here. But you're gonna mix it up with the hardener right there. On these strips, we're gonna soak them, let that drop, and then shit, I'll be back. That shit big in the bit. That shit. All right, man, we got that fiberglass stuck. I don't know how you say it, but we got that fiberglass sitting on there. Once the fiberglass dry, like I said, we're gonna hit it with that bondo. Get it right, man, get it right. Got a lot of plans for the car. I gotta get a new door, cause this door messed up, man. All this shit loose as well, so I'm just gonna get a whole new door. My hand just messed up this door. Slam it closed, see what I'm saying? I'm just gonna get a whole new door, so that I'm just having to work on it too much, so I'm gonna get a whole new door. This door good though, everything good over here. Don't worry about the tent and shit, all this tent regular in here. We're gonna take this tent down, take the tent off. Gotta get new windshield, man. We're gonna get it right, man. Just stay tuned for the build. Stay tuned for the build, man. You know, man. Steering wheels at wood grain. It's the little middle piece for it. We ain't really worry about it though. It's the little middle piece. I remember I had, I ain't even put it on YouTube, man. I had shaved this down to put this iPad off of here. Matter of fact, let me go get the iPad to show y'all real quick. Let y'all see how I did with this iPad. Hold on. So what I did was this iPad right here. Like I said, it's not the dash that's gonna stay in this car. 5 times out of 10 is gonna be that one. The other 5 out of 10 it might be a new style dash, you know. But I had to I shaved the side down to get this iPad. If this is a 10.2, I believe. Oh shit, hold on. It's a 10.2 dash. I mean iPad. It slide right up in there. But I was gonna buy this little kit with magnets in it, so it actually stays up. Yeah, it slide right off in there, man. And then, but this dash here trash, so don't pay attention to this dash. Let me let y'all know. Like the iPad, the music comes from the iPad. You see what I'm saying? But it's gonna be like right here. Hold on, man, let me get this shit right.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it feel. On the freeway with the shit, fuck a street. We ain't get three, so ain't no can take us. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Finna hit up triple D, he let down the back seat. Hit a burnout every week. So if your ass wanna see, better set to get tea.
With the panoramic wide open on them. Ride down.
Nigga, let's race. What? Look at my tail. Lights, watch this.
I'll move this back, probably back here. You know, like a regular, you know what I'm saying? That's too close. Probably back right here type shit when I get my center console made. But yeah, man, right now I'm just bullshitting around with it. Till we get everything right, man. But y'all see, man. Y'all see these holes right here that I'm fitting in. The fiberglass, you see the fiberglass through the holes right now. But like I said, after this fiberglass drop, I'm gonna hit it with that bondo. Yeah, they all sealed up now. And no more leaks through the roof, baby. Let's get it. Let me see, look this side. Y'all can't even see the butt. Y'all see light through that one, so you can't tell the bottom. I mean, I can tell the fiberglass, but you look at the top. You see that fiberglass hitting through it. Is it dry up yet? Dry, it ain't dry, so it's gonna get really dry. We're gonna give it a little more time to harden. Before I slap that bondo over it. And let it dry a little bit more. I don't wanna go too crazy out, you know? Messing with shit while it's still wet. That motherfucker right, man. We gonna get in the door. We gonna get in the game, man. We going, I don't wanna tell y'all everything, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned, but we get it all right, man. We gonna get it all together. Subscribe, man. Hit that button. Sucker Free TV. We in the garage with it right now, man. And if y'all is new to the channel, this is my other car right here, man. Ride by the scat thing. Y'all see the wrap on it? See my other car right here. You know, we got it wrapped up real good. His Instagram, Street Runner _ GOSKI. Street Runner Goski, man. The O came off a long time ago. That ain't never, you know what I'm saying? Put it back on, put a new one on or whatever. But this the other whip. That's my girl. She got the scat too. She got the shaker. You know what I'm saying? She got the shaker. She got the red guts in hers. I ain't got no red guts up in mine. But I do got that diamond stitching on them those I put on there. You know what I'm saying? We is looking good, and we got the stars up in there. But I got my keys. Now my keys over there. I can show you the stars. Keys over there. And we got my trunk done up too with the car club, man. Got my trunk done. So back to the cut. We gonna get right. I'm finna keep letting this shit dry. I'm gonna hit it with the bondo, man. That's it. I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all back in a minute, man. Once I get to applying this bondo. Camera died. We got the bondo. Let me let y'all see. We got that boy. It's leveled up real good. It's leveled up. Finna sand it all down, smooth it out. Hit with that prime over there. Gotta cover this up. I'm just gonna basically see the line. Basically, I'm gonna just hit all that. So down here gonna be this color, and the top gonna be white. Cause I done that about white primer, but it's damn it gray, so I'm good down. But yeah, man, we gonna smooth this out. Get it right, man. I'm gonna be back in a minute, man. Boy, look at my face, man. My shit white. But yeah, we sand it down. Everything good and smooth, man. I gotta tape it, man. Let y'all see. You can't really tell, I got it taped up. Damn, tape flew up on us, shit. Got it taped up, so I don't get no spray on this panoramic joint. This panoramic thing, yes. See if we can get an angle. Yeah, right it? Smooth. Don't ask me why I tape this regular ass paint up. I don't want all that overspray everywhere, so shit, I did what I did. But we finna get this with this problem, man. I seen this big tall can on what was it, YouTube or something? So I was like, let me go and try this bitch. I can knock it out quick. We gonna knock it out real quick, man. Let's get it. Alright, let me give y'all a breakdown what I done did, man. Ran that goddamn spray paint. I mean, not spray paint, what's that shit called? Ran that goddamn primer, man. I had primed the whole thing down, then I went to sanded it again, cause some spots I ain't like, and now I ran the goddamn primer to re-prime the bitch. So I gotta go to Home Depot tomorrow. It's already closed. So shit, this is what it look like at okay, I almost snatched this off here and then I would drop. This part was dry, but like I said, I just resprayed some of it. Like I resprayed this part right here. But I didn't get to respray it over there. I had to knock some shit down. Then I got I ain't get respray over here either. I had to knock it down because it wasn't looking right. Damn, that shit went off. But y'all see where I ran painted. I keep saying paint, ran out of prime with it. Y'all see. Fuck it, we gon' finish it up tomorrow though, man.
I'll tell you something. One thing about me, I'm gonna stay sucker free.
I'm taking off like I'm sucker free. Nigga RT, put a V8 in my hood, make it speed. On the freeway with the shit fuck a street. We ain't get 3, so ain't no can take off. Turn up the bass, make it beat. Finna hit up triple D, he let down the back seat. Hit him burn out every week. So if your ass wanna see me, that's set to get T. Skate, go. Roof, let's race what you look at my tail lights.